A project charter serves as the cornerstone of effective project management. This essential document formally authorizes the existence of a project and provides a clear framework for its execution. Within the charter, the project's objectives are defined, establishing what the team aims to achieve. The scope is outlined, detailing the boundaries and deliverables expected throughout the project lifecycle. Additionally, the charter identifies key stakeholders, ensuring that everyone involved understands their roles and responsibilities. By setting these foundational elements, the project charter helps align expectations and guides decision-making from initiation to completion. A project charter serves as the foundational document that outlines the essential elements of a project. Key components include clearly defined project goals, which establish the purpose and desired outcomes. Deliverables specify the tangible results or products expected from the project. Timelines set the schedule for major milestones and completion dates, helping to keep the project on track. Responsibilities detail the roles and accountabilities of team members and stakeholders, ensuring everyone understands their part. Having a clear project charter is crucial, as it aligns expectations, provides direction, and helps prevent misunderstandings. This clarity supports effective decision-making and increases the likelihood of project success.